Are you ready to unbox another fun bike bag from Kemi Moto?
I sure am. Hi, I'm Eric.
I'm Christina.
And together we are Roosevelt's Ride.
I am so excited to be unboxing another one. So let's get out our box cutter and actually go in and do this.
Ooh. What did they send us this time, babe? Oh,
it was another bike bag that I think is waterproof, right?
That's what they said, yeah.
I'm excited.
Ooh. What have we here?
Fun.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
these
let me throw this guy
out.
aside here. Now, I do think these are a little bit smaller than the last ones we got. Yeah, well, not lengthwise. They don't seem to be.
We'll have to see once we actually get them open.
That's true.
And uncorked.
Oh, yeah, these are definitely water resistant. I don't even know if these need a little poncho.
I love it.
Okay, throw that over there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. These are nice.
The tape is winning.
What?
It's winning the contest. There we go.
I'll take that.
Thank you. Ooh.
All right.
Nice and slim. It looks like it's the same way to install it as the last one.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. So it actually, there's one less strap here on the bottom. Oh, and there's even a
it's just like check that strap out, and it has a little pocket for it to go into.
Little back strap.
When you're not using it. That's really handy.
I like that.
There's that's really I like
that'll
that
work.
And I also love that it also has the elastic on the top. We have solar batteries that we have always stationed on the top, and it's always so handy.
Oh, when you have the retention there like that? Yeah, definitely.
Well, but I also know, like, we've also put our jackets under those and everything. I always love bags that have that.
There are also little small pockets on each side. Like, these are really handy for when you're bike touring because you grab snacks or whatever, just odds and ends you'll need to get. They are thin. That's what I was getting to.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's okay. The fact that they're waterproof or probably extremely water resistant will come in handy, so we don't have yet another thing to take up space with the poncho being in here.
Yes.
So yeah.
Oh, but yeah, it's just basic. There's no pockets inside except for on the little flappity do.
Feels like it's pretty quality too.
Yeah, but I am very excited to actually check out how to install these guys because I love pulling these things out of bags. But look at those zippers.
I know. They're super nice looking bags, and also I do like the fact that they included reflector tape on here, and then there's also a little spot here to put your rear light. So that's going to come in real handy. I'm tired of it banging from my light clanking from my rack, so that'd be really nice.
That issue all the time.
Yeah. So, and also these markings here on the side are also reflective. So that's great considering it's everything I have on this bike is black and red.
Yeah. We'll definitely be excited to take these on our next adventure. So make sure you check back soon for our next traveling adventure with some new bikes.
Oh, they haven't seen them yet.
They haven't seen them yet.
Oh, it's going to be a treat, man. We're also going to be on location. We're not going to be here in Missouri this time either.
Nope.
Can't wait to share it.
We're flying somewhere. Super excited. Also, make sure to check back to see how these bags get installed onto your bike.
Right. Check here for that video.
Yep.
And, well, from Roosevelt's Ride, I'm Eric.
I'm Christina.
And together we are Roosevelt's Ride. We'll see you on the trail.